Stay. Okay. Yes. Oliver. Bye bye. Bye bye. It's not that hot. I bought new nail polishes, so I'm going to add them into my swatch book, and I can't find the swatch thing anymore, so I'm just gonna use a random extension. Bought new nail polish. What do you mean? Good morning, guys. It is Father's Day weekend, and so we're heading out today to celebrate, of course, with the dogs. Later on, we're heading to Coastal Settlement, and I've been there once and I really like that place, so I'm glad to bring Ollie along, and of course Lumi is coming as well. Yesterday I posted on my Instagram that I'm giving away some of my artwork because I'm running out of space in my house, and so the people who wanted my artwork will be coming later on to pick it up. Oliver, come here. I'm gonna do my nails now since it's 9:30. 58. I don't know, man. It's like different shades of pink that I can't decide. Okay, so I got ready. It's still quite early, but I wanted to take photos with the outfit that I will be giving away today. These are my nails, by the way. I just kept it simple and plain, as always. I just use a pencil. And these for the artworks going out today. Yeah! Bro, I'm struggling.
I'm also
I'm struggling, bro.
Okay. You look like a baby, right?
He is a baby. Ollie, do you want to walk yourself? Come on. Are you scared of that? Yes, yes, yes. Oh.